Mastering the Art of Driving, a beginner's guide. Learning to drive is an exciting and empowering experience that opens up a world of possibilities. Whether you're a teenager eager to gain independence or an adult ready to acquire this valuable skill, understanding the fundamentals of driving is essential. Here's a brief guide to get you started on your journey to becoming a confident and responsible driver. Obtain a driver's license. Before you hit the road, make sure you meet the minimum age requirements and obtain a valid driver's license in your jurisdiction. Familiarize yourself with the necessary documents, such as identification, proof of residency, and any required permits or certificates. Study the rules of the road. Familiarize yourself with the traffic laws, regulations, and road signs specific to your area. Study the driver's manual provided by your local Department of Motor Vehicles, DMV, or equivalent authority. Understanding the rules of the road is crucial for safe and legal driving. Enroll in a driver's education course. Consider enrolling in a driver's education course to receive formal instruction from qualified professionals. These courses typically cover both theoretical knowledge and practical driving skills. They provide valuable guidance, enhance your understanding of traffic laws, and help build confidence behind the wheel. Get comfortable with the vehicle. Before starting the engine, take the time to familiarize yourself with the vehicle's controls and instruments. Adjust the seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a comfortable and ergonomic driving position. Familiarize yourself with the pedal layout, gear shifter, indicators, lights, and other essential features. Practice in a safe environment. Begin your driving journey in a safe and controlled environment such as an empty parking lot or quiet residential street. Practice basic maneuvers like steering, accelerating, braking, and turning. Gradually progress to more complex skills, such as parking, merging, and navigating different road conditions. Develop defensive parking skills. Practice parking in various scenarios, such as parallel parking, perpendicular parking, and angle parking. Mastering parking skills is crucial for daily driving and helps you navigate crowded parking lots with ease. Embrace continuous learning. Remember that driving is an ongoing learning process. Even after obtaining your license, continue to educate yourself on new laws, regulations, and best practices. Stay updated on changing road conditions and emerging technologies that may impact driving. Thanks for watching this informative and engaging content. We hope you found it helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and guides. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting content in the future. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you.